Hello. Welcome back to my channel Maths Mania. I'm Manisha, your friend, and I'm helping you all to understand maths in an easy and fast way. In last video, we didn't discuss the prime and composite number due to time issue. So today we are going to learn about it. But before we get started, don't forget to share, subscribe, like and comment, and do press the bell icon. Let's start with prime and composite numbers. Prime number. A prime number has only two factors, which means it can only be divided by the number 1 and itself. Or we can say that the number which cannot be divided by any other number except 1 or itself is called a prime number. It means it does not comes in the table of any other number, or we cannot multiply any numbers to make it that number. For example, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, etc. Let's take the example of 2, as 2 can only be divided by the number 1 and 2 itself. 2 divided by 1 equals to 2. 2 divided by 2 equals to 1. It means 2 has only two factors, that is 1 and 2 itself. And it also doesn't come in the table of any other number. And no other number except 1 and 2 itself can multiply and form 2. So 2 is a prime number. Let's take another example of 11. 11 can only be divisible by the number 1 and 11 itself. 11 divided by 1 equals to 11. 11 divided by 11 equals to 1. So the number 11 has only two factors, that is 1 and 11 itself, and it does not come in the table of any other number, so it is a prime number. So here are the conditions to be fulfilled for being a prime number. First, the number must only be having only two factors, that is 1 and itself. Second, it does not come in the table of any other number. Third, the number cannot be formed by multiplying any other numbers. We should always keep in mind the first 10 prime number for fast answers. So, first 10 prime numbers are here. Next one is composite numbers. Composite number. A number having more than two factors, which means it can be divided by 1 itself and any other number, is called composite number. Or we can say that any number which also comes in the table of any other number is called composite number, and it can be formed by multiplying two or more numbers. For example, 4, 6, 8, 9, 20, etc. These are the composite numbers. Let's take an example of 6. 6 can be divided by 1, 2, 3 and 6 itself. When 6 is divided by 1, it gives answer 6. When 6 is divided by 2, it gives answer 3. When 6 is divided by 3, it gives answer 2. And when 6 is divided by 6, it gives answer 1. It means number 6 has 4 factors, that is 1, 2, 3 and 6 itself. And 6 comes in the table of 1, 2, 3 and 6, as 1 6s are 6, 2 3s are 6, 3 2s are 6 and 6 1s are 6. So 6 is a composite number. Let's take another example of 15. 15 is divisible by 1, 3, 5 and 15 itself. When we divide 15 by 1, it gives answer 15. When we divide 15 by 3, it gives answer 5. When we divide 15 by 5, it gives answer 3. When we divide 15 by 15, it gives answer 1. It means 15 has 4 factors, that is 1, 3, 5 and 15. And in another way, 15 comes in the table of 1, 3, 5 and 15. 1 15s are 15, 3 5s are 15, 5 3s are 15 and 15 1s are 15. So it means 15 is a composite number. So the smallest and the first 10 composite numbers are Now I guess what you guys might be thinking, that what about number 1? It is a prime number or it is a composite number? There may be a confusion as it is divided by itself only, and it is also the factor of every other number, either prime or composite. So what it is? Is it prime number or composite number? Let's check out. 1 is neither a prime number nor a composite number. In earlier times, it was considered as prime number, but today it is considered neither prime nor composite number. I hope you have learned prime and composite number, and now I am giving some numbers on screen and you have to tell me which numbers are prime number and which are composite numbers. Let's check out the answers. 22. 22 is divisible by 1, 2, 11 and 22 itself, so it is a composite number. 19. 19 is divisible by 1 and 19 only, so it is a prime number. 33 is divisible by 1, 3, 11 and 33 itself, so it is a composite number. 43 is divisible by 1 and 43 only, so it is a prime number. You should know that 2 is the only even number which is a prime number also. You all did a fabulous job. Now, let's discuss coprime numbers. What are coprime numbers? The two numbers which have only one common factor, that is 1 only, is called coprime numbers. For example, 15 and 16. Let's elaborate the example. First, find out the factors of 15 and 16. 15. When 15 is divided by 1, it gives answer 15. When 15 is divided by 3, it gives answer 5. When 15 is divided by 5, it gives answer 3. And 15 is divided by 15, it gives answer 1. It means 15 has 4 factors: 1, 3, 5 and 15. Next is 16. When 16 is divided by 1, it gives answer 16. When 16 is divided by 2, it gives answer 8. When 16 is divided by 4, it gives answer 4. When 16 is divided by 8, it gives answer 2. And when 16 is divided by 16, it gives answer 1. It means factor of 16s are 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. Now compare the factors of 15 and 16. You can see on the screen that 15 and 16 have only one common factor, that is 1 only. It means they are coprime numbers. In the same way, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 6 and 7, etc. are coprime numbers. It is not mandatory the numbers which are coprimes are prime numbers. They can be composite number, but they should not share any common factor except 1. Hey guys, I hope you have learned the prime and composite number. I will make more videos on those concepts which we usually ignore or forget. So keep supporting guys. Thanks for watching Maths Mania. Share your feedback and DM me on Facebook and Instagram. For more details or any confusion, mention below and you can see on the screen. Till then, bye bye, take care. Don't forget to share, subscribe, like and comment and press the bell icon.